Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة المائدة يوم يجمع الله الرسل فيقول ماذا أجبتم قالوا لا علم لنا إنك أنت Ta'allamul Ghuyub. Translation: the day when Allah will gather the messengers and ask what answer you were given by the people, they will say, we have no knowledge. Indeed, you and only you know all that is unseen and hidden things beyond the reach of human perception. One thing we should understand that in Quran there are different scenes of the Day of Judgment are described. Some scenes are from the beginning of the day, some are from the other parts of the day. So there is no contradiction in those ayahs. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask the prophets in front of their nations, in front of their ummas, that when you brought the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to your nations, what did they reply and what did they say, and how much did they follow the commandments you brought to them. In the previous ruku we saw that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave commandments about the will and all those things that could be corrected in this world before the death. So in that ruku we understood that we should take care of the worldly things, because in the hereafter we will be answerable to whatever we did in this world. So during the day of Mahshar, during the day when everyone will be gathered in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala of Qahr and Jalal will be expressed, and at that time everyone will be caring about himself. Even the Ulul Azm and the highest of the high messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be worried about themselves, and at that time they will not be able to answer Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when He will ask a question that what were you replied by your people, and they will say that we have no knowledge about that. After that, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will do the dua, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will have His other attributes of mercy and love to His creation will be shown, and then the prophets will have some courage to answer the questions. Scholars like Hassan and Mujahid are of this opinion. However, Ibn Abbas anhu says that La ilma lana means here that in comparison to the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose knowledge is absolute and complete, the prophets will say that in comparison our knowledge is almost zero and we have no knowledge. The scholar Ibn Jarih says that La ilma lana means that prophets will say that we have no idea what they did after us when we were alive and with the nation. We could know about what they were doing, but when we left the world, we don't know anything, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows every unseen and hidden thing beyond the reach of human perception. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give us the vision of hereafter, so that we may be able to prepare ourselves for hereafter in the best possible way. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.